In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop can't deliver to your region. By the end, you'll understand why this message appears and what practical steps you can take to keep shopping without frustration. First, make sure you open your TikTok account so you're viewing the product from within your profile. Being signed in helps the app show you the right delivery information for your area and the correct seller options. Once you're in your account, navigate to the product you're interested in and look closely at the delivery section on the product page. Here's the key point up front. There isn't a universal, one-click fix for the can't deliver to your region message. TikTok Shop only delivers to places where the seller and the platform are set up to ship. That means availability is determined by official coverage, not by a setting you can toggle. Understanding that will save you time and help you focus on solutions that actually work within those limits. When a specific product says it can't be delivered to your region, it usually comes down to a few common reasons. The first is seller shipping restrictions. Many sellers choose to ship only within certain countries or even specific areas to control costs and delivery times. The second is product import rules. Some items can't legally be shipped to certain regions due to customs, safety standards, or local regulations. Think of items like certain electronics, health products, batteries, or anything with restricted materials. The third reason is stock limitations. Even if a seller normally ships to your region, a particular variant or size might be out of stock for your location, which triggers the delivery restriction notice. So what can you do? The most direct option is to ask the seller. On the product page, use the message or Q&A feature to politely confirm whether they can ship to your area if they have an alternative shipping method, or when they expect stock to be available for your region. Sellers often update their shipping zones or restock schedules, and a quick message can give you a realistic timeline. If the seller can't help, the simplest workaround is to order from local TikTok sellers. Look for shops based in your country or region, since those are already set up to deliver to you. You'll usually get faster shipping, clearer return policies, and fewer surprises at checkout. To recap, open your TikTok account, understand that coverage depends on official delivery areas, identify whether the issue is restrictions, rules, or stock, then contact the seller or switch to local sellers. That's the most reliable path to getting your order delivered.